Here's how my studio looked before the renovation. A bit dull, right? The walls filled with useless things, the mess, nothing particularly inviting. But with a bit of creativity and ingenuity, I'm ready to turn it into something extraordinary with a DIY touch. Hey guys, today I want to show you how I completely renovated my studio office using recycled materials in a creative and elegant way, adding a touch of personal design. I'm sure you'll enjoy seeing how I transformed this space into something truly special. The first phase is to tackle the wall that will be the main focal point of the room. With some black paint, we give it a touch of elegance with a slightly dark vibe. The next step was to gather recycled materials for my project. I searched in the basement where my wife constantly changes furniture, and even on the streets to find everything I needed for my transformation. 2 tool storage walls recovered from the previous studio, and these shelves. What a spectacle! They were bookshelves that I just flipped over. I prefer to have a few items on display without making too much clutter, with a very minimal style, but paired with colors. Now it's time to get our hands dirty. I started working on the main elements of my studio, such as the desk, shelves, and wall decorations, using recycled materials from my old studio. Check out my charging station recovered from a watch display they were taking to the landfill. Truly amazing. Buying it would have cost a fortune. Look at this adjustable desk, how elegant in its design. It's the only thing I bought. I was very lucky to find it on sale. I'll leave all the links in the description. Guys, listen to the sound of this gamer-style keyboard. Really fantastic. And now, the long-awaited moment. The big reveal of my new studio office. Are you ready? Here it is. Now that you've seen the transformation, I'll take you on a tour of my new studio office. It's incredible how you can transform recycled materials into something so elegant and functional. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed seeing the transformation of my studio office using recycled materials in a creative and elegant way. If you liked this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more design and renovation projects. Thanks for watching and for joining me on this transformation adventure. Until next time.